Hello everyone. Hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 9 math. The chapter today we discuss that is create bar graphs, line graphs and histogram. Interpret the bar graphs, line graph and histogram. Interpret the stem and leaf plots. Circle the graphs. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and passwords that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select maths from there, scroll down to the grade 9, view all chapters. So here are the list of the chapters. So we are on the chapter that is the data and the graphs. Let's continue and then start the very first lesson, which is create the bar graphs, line graphs and histogram. So here is the question. First question is given and here they are basically drawing that graph. Okay. So first of all, they are saying that create the bar graph, line graphs and histogram. So we are going to drawing the bar graph. Look at here, the data is given. The Spring Data Department of Motors Vehicles keep the track of the average wait times for its services. Okay, these are given, days are given, changes of address is given, and the driving tests are given. Monday to Saturday, changes are from 0, then 80, 30, 90, 70, and 80. Driving test starts 100, 60, 0, 100, 100, and 90. Use the data in the table to complete the missing line in the double line graph below. Click to select the points on the graph. Okay, look at here. On Monday, it's given 0. On Tuesday, it's given 80. Then on Wednesday, it's given 30. Thursday, it's given 90. On Friday, it's given 70. And on Saturday, it's given 80. These are the basically number of basically minutes on the y-axis, and on the x-axis you are going to put the number of days. Okay, they are just going to say that you are going to convert from their driving tests. Okay, changes of address, we are going to change the line of changes of address is already completed. You need to graph the line for driving test. Now we are going to draw the graph for the driving test for this one. 160 0 for all that. Let me draw it. Okay, let's just use this data. For example, here the data is given, number of minutes, and here are the driving tests. Okay, number of minutes are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And driving tests are, this is 160 0, 160 0, 100, 100, and 90. Now draw the graph for this. Okay, let's draw the graph. This is x-axis, here it's x-axis, and here it's the y-axis. Okay, putting the 0 here. Now here you're going to put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. These are the number of minutes, number of, sorry, days. Okay, now the number of minutes are putting here, but here you are going to put, look at here in this one again, the number of minutes. So these are the days. Okay, and now here the number of minutes. Number of minutes, you are going to draw it on the y-axis. It's 0 to 100, you are putting it out. Here is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and now it's 100. Okay, let's do it. On Monday, how is it? It's 100. On Monday, it's on 100. Okay, but if you are going to take the Monday from the starting point, that's easy for you to write. You're going to put Monday from here. Okay, I just put it. Here is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Monday, it's 100. It's on 100, it means it's on here. Okay, let's mark some another. It's on Monday. Now for Tuesday, it's 60. Here it's Tuesday, and where is the 60? Here it's 60. So here you mark for the Tuesday. Okay, look at here the Tuesday. Now for Wednesday, it's 0. Wednesday, it's 0 here. 0 is lying here for this point. It's on 0. Okay, for Thursday, it's again 100. Friday, it's again 100. For Thursday, I'm going to put it the 100, and Friday, I'm again putting the 100. Now for Saturday, it's 90. Saturday, it's on 90. Understand? Now, this is the way that we are going to drawing this graph. All right, look at here the graph shape. Okay, so this is a basically your graph of the driving license, driving test. Just measuring the points on x-axis, you are drawing the number of days. On y-axis, you are going to drawing the number of minutes. Then just mention on Monday how much of it, on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, just marking the points and then just drawing this line. When you are using the graph paper, then the values are more accurate. Okay, so in the second question, they are saying that the DMV in the milefold keeps the track of how many driver's license it issues each day. Okay, days are given men and women, both of it. Men graph is given for the blue and the purple is for the woman. And then we check the both. All right, let's do it. I am going to draw this thing. Okay, look at here the graph data. That is from again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now for the man and for the woman. Okay, for the man, the values are 0 to 10, 874. 0 to 10, 8, 7, and 4. Now for the woman, it's 9, 1, 1, 4, 9, 2. 9, 1, 1, 4, 9, and 2. Okay, so these days are given. These are the days, and both the values are given. So first of all, we are going to draw for the man, and then we are going to draw for the woman. Okay, let's do it. So now here, when you are going to draw the data from this, 0. Let's take a difference of 1 from 10. Okay, 1, 2. How do you take the difference from 1? Because it's 10. So these are the number of license. It's 1, that is 2. Now it's 3, it's 4, then 5, and then 6, 7, 8, then 9 and 10. This is on y-axis. Now for the x-axis we're going to put Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, let's do it. It start from Sunday, Monday. Here it's given for the Sunday or not? Yeah, it's on Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. For Sunday, for man is 0. Okay, for woman it's 9. Woman we are going to draw later. First we are going to draw for the man. Then for Monday it's 2. And then for Tuesday it's 10. It's on last here. Tuesday it's on 10. 10 is not here. 10 is like it's on here. Then it's 8, 7, and 4. For next it's 8. That is 8. For Thursday it's 7. And then for Friday it's 4. Okay, now just drawing by using the line. Draw these two firstly, then for this, then for this, and for this. This is for the man. Okay, black is showing for the man. Now for blue line, for the woman. First of all it's 9, then here it's for 1, again it's for 1, then for this it's 4, then for it's 9, and then for the last it's 2. Now just mark. Okay, this line is for the woman. This is the way that we get the graphs. Okay, all right, look. So the data is given. Again, I'm going to repeat this thing. Data is given. Number of days are given. So we put these number of days on the x-axis, put these two things on the y-axis, and then just mention first of all for the man, we are going to draw black color. For the blue one, we are going to draw for the woman. Okay, then just drawing these two graphs, drawing these two lines, just checking it out where this point lie, then mark it out and then join by using the line. Okay, this is the previous one and this is the next. Hope you guys understand this. Let's do the next lesson. Interpret bar graph, line graph, and histogram. To better understand the trends, an investor studies the price of gold over the time. Number of years are given, and price per ounces are given. In 1967, it's $40. In 1968, 69, 70, 71, it's the same amount. Now it increases in 1972 from 40 to direct 60, and then in 1973 it increases from 60 to 100. Okay. In which year did an ounce of gold cost $60? So we're going to check it out. At which year it's $60? Check. In 1972 it's on $60. So we are going to mark this. That's it. Okay. $60 in 1972. This is the basically thing we are going to check in this graph. And if I'm going to say that, like when you see the graph, so in which year the gold cost is $100. In which year? That is 1973. And if we're going to talk about in which year the gold cost is $40, so you are going to mention 1967, 8, 69, 17, 71. So you put it out 1967 to onward 1971. It's the same amount, that is $40. Okay. So at the summer carnivals, each member of the Keller family played a round of bean bag toss. Okay. Hits shows the basically this red color and misses shows the blue color. Okay, bean bag tosses are given for the uncle, cousins, and the Uncle William, cousin Susan, and the Uncle Ryan. And there are the number of the tosses from 0 to 100 we are putting, and the William shows for hits basically 60 and miss out 75. Okay, hits is for 60 and misses 75. Cousin Susan misses the only 10 shots and hits the hits is only 10 and miss the shots 90 shots misses. Now the uncle Ryan basically hits the 65, it's all over the greater, and misses the only 25. How many more tosses did Uncle William have than cousin Susan? More tosses. So the more tosses when we see both of it, William and Susan. William and Susan. So the William and Susan misses more as compared to William. Okay. How many misses? William only misses 75, but the Susan 90 toss misses. Okay. But if we're going to check the hits, so the William is greater in hits and Susan in greater in missing. Okay. So in combine of it, we are going to add these two amounts 60 and 75. We are going to add the other amount 10 and 90. 90 plus 10, that is 100, and 60 plus 75, that is 135. So when we see 135 is greater as compared to 95, so it means that the William is more tosses, maybe it's hits or maybe it's misses. Both of it we are going to write the combined thing, so we are just going to add both of it and then just see the answer. Okay, William is more. So now in this question they are saying that in an effort to figure out where all her time went, Jessica tracked the amount of time she spent commuting to work each year. So in an effort to figure out, we are going to just In 2011, it's 60 hours. In 12, it's 70 hours. 13, it's lower than it's 30. For 14, it's greater. Now it's 80. And for 15, it's 70. Okay, these are the number of years we're going to put on the, they are giving us. Number of years are giving us, and the hours are on the y-axis. In which year did the Jessica spend the most time commuting to work? So in which year the most time, the greater, that is in 80 hours, and which is in 2014. Okay, that is your answer. But if they are saying that in which year did the Jessica spend the lowest time commuting to work, that is, what is the lowest graph? That is 30 on 30, which is 2013. Okay, these are the 2 points that we basically done in it. Now let's do the test questions. So each year, the Auckland School Districts publishes its annual budget, which includes information on the sports program per student spending. Auckland School District sport budget is given. On the x-axis, we're going to put the years. On the y-axis, we're going to put the per student budget. Okay, it's 0, 50, 55, 60, 65, up to 100. It's given in the question. And how many number of years? It's 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay. So in which year was the per student sport budget $95? So when we see the $95, where is the $95? For the first we check it's 100. For the second we check it's 60. Then for the next it's 55. For 2013 we check it's only 80. When we see the 2014 it's on 95. Am I right? Can you guys tell me the answer of this one in the chat? So this is on 95. Okay, that is 2014. Let's click over the answer 2014 and then see the, this is the right answer. Okay, so look at here. Mr. Baker reported her student scores on the most recent quiz. Number of scores are given 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, and 70 to 79. Number of students are given 1 to 8. Which range has the most student? Check it out. In the first range, when we see from 0 to 9, it's nothing. When we see 10 to 19, it's only 4 students. Okay. When we see 20 to 29, it's 8. It's the greater in all of it. Okay. So what's our answer? 22? 29 points. So we marked on the option C. This is the right answer. Okay. Some students were polled about the paper they use for note taking. Okay. 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 is given on the x-axis. These are the number of years. And number of students are 0 to 100, which is also given. And here is the paper type. They are saying that college ruled paper, that is on the red line, and for the blue one it's on wide ruled paper. It's the green one, sorry. That is a wide ruled paper. So how many students use the college ruled paper in 2010? So when you see the 2010, check it out. Only for the, they are saying that college ruled, and the college rules are red line. So you are checking the red line in 2010. So red line in 2010 is, what is the red line in 2010? So the red line 2010, check that line only. In red line in 2010, that is 2, which is 20, which is over the 20, that is a 20 student. Okay, so we put with it 20 students. You're not checking the green line, we are going to interested in the red line in 2010, that is on 20. This is the right answer. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. You're just going to check it, all points are mentioned, and you're just going to check it on the graph. Okay, now the third lesson is interpret the stem and leaf plots. So here the owner of the plant nursery wrote down the number of roses on each bush. Stem is given from 1 to 8 and leaf is given like 1, that is 3 times, 4, that is 3 times, 5, that is 3 times, 7, that is 5 times, 8, that is 15 times. So how many bushes have at least 34 roses but fewer than 73 roses? Okay, so how can we check it out? We are going to check it out. Look at here, 34, they are saying that 34 roses but fewer than 73. This is 34 here. First of all, we write down the leaf, then the stem. This is 3 and 4. Here that is 34. So in the row with the stamp 7, count all the leaves less than 3. Okay, all the leaf that is less than 3. This is for 4, that is 3, for 5, that is 3, for 6, it's nothing. Okay, for 6, it's nothing. So it means that you counted 2 leaves which are blue in the stem and leaf plots above. So when you count that leaf, so which is 2, and that is left, so 2 bushes have at least 34 roses, at least 2 bushes. Okay, that is 2. So now in this one, the next, the architecture students counted the number of bricks in each building in her neighborhood. Stamp is given, leaf is given. Okay, count all the leaves in the row with the stamp 1, 2 and 3. They are saying that how many buildings have at least 10 bricks but fewer than 40 bricks? Where is the 10 bricks? First of all, we check the stamp 2. First, we check the stamp 1. That is 1, 2, 2, 3, and 7. For the 2, it's 6, 7, 8. For the 3, it's 4, 5, 5, 7. They are saying that, but fewer than 40 bricks. Okay? So it means that it's in, like, look, here it's 11, 12, 12, 13, and 17. Then it's 26, 27, 28. They are saying that you counted 12 leaves. Okay, here they are mentioned in the question, you are just going to at least 10 bricks. So this is for the stamp 1. Okay, and that is, you counted 12 leaves for that. This is 1 and that is 2, which is 12. Okay. Now for this, while doing a project for PE class, Emily researched the number of athletes competing in an international sporting event. So how many countries have exactly 90 athletes? So we are going to check for exactly for the 90. Look for first one, that is 33, 34, 36, 37. First we write the stamp and then we write the leaf, okay? When we see exactly 90, so we are going to interested in the 9 one. We are checking the 9. So that is 00, it means that 90 that is mentioned in the last row, which is how many exactly mentioned in here? That is 2. 1 and 2. Okay, how many digits are there? 1 and 2. Okay. At their family reunion, the Tang family recorded everyone's age. What is the age of the youngest person? Let's see. First write the stamp, then write the leaf. First here is 13. When will you see the next? That's 22, 29, 35, 48, 52, 60, 61, 65, 73, and 74. But the youngest is 13. So this is 13. A cookie factory monitored the number of broken cookies per pack yesterday. How many pack had at least 55 broken cookies? So we are interested in the fifth one because the stamp is 5. There are only, like, look, for the 55 they are saying that at least 55 broken cookies. There is no 55, there is 56 and 6. So greater than that of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So total are 11 and 5, 6, and 7 both in all of it. Okay, count all the leaves in the row with the stamp 6 and 7 as well. The receptionist at a doctor's office kept track of each patient wait time. Stamp is given how many people waited for at least 70 minutes but less than 100 minutes. For 70 minutes we are using the 7. Okay, but here it's 75, but it's less than 100. They are saying that. So for less than 100, at least 70, so it means that great closer or greater to 70. 7 think. Okay, so for the 7 it's only 1, for the 8 it's 1, for 9 it's 1. So 1, 2, 3, 3 patients, because here it's not 100, so we are going to put less than 100, that is we are counted also the 90 thing, so this is 3. I hope you guys understand this lesson. Let's discuss the last lesson of the day, that is a circle graph. Okay, look at here the question. A veterinarian in Stafford treats a number of different kinds of animals every year. Pets treated by the vet. Reptiles are given, rodents are given, rabbits are given. This is 1 by 3, 1 by 4, and 5 by 12 of this circle. Which list is arranged from the most common pet to the least common pet? So the most common pet is 5 by 12, then it's this is rodent, then it's reptiles, then it's rabbit. By when you see the graph, because the greater part of the graph is green, which is for the rodents. Now for the purple, that is for the reptiles because this is the next least. And then for the rabbits, that is 1 by 4 for this. So you are saying that it's 5 by 12, then 1 by 3, and then 1 by 4. They're saying that most common pet to the least common pet. So it's reptiles, reptiles, and rabbits. This is the last option. Okay. Rodents. What is the rodents? 5 by 12, 1 by 3, and then 1 by 4. Look at here this graph. Four friends went on the road trip and kept track of how long each of them spent driving. Okay. Carrie it's 30%, Camel it's 25%, Addie it's 10%, and the Rona, it's 35%. Okay, who drive the least? When you see the basically the graph of this, when we see the graph, so it means that in the graph it shows the smaller part is for the eddy, that is a purple, because the green, red, and basically the other, it's blue on, that is a greater. And now for only the purple it's 10%. So we can say that the eddy, this is the only 10%, which is option A. The visitor to a certain websites were interviewed about their favorite yogurt flavor. Strawberry banana 10%, strawberry it's 10%, blueberry it's 15, banana it's only 20, and vanilla it's 45. What is the greater amount here? You see the circle for checking the greater amount, okay? You are going to check the greater amount, and the greater amount is for the vanilla, that is a pink color. If 100 people were surveyed, how many more people voted for vanilla than for the banana? Okay, 100 people. We are saying that. So, first of all, finding it out, 45% of 100. How to find the 45% of 100? This is 45 people, and that is a 20 people for the banana, 45 people for the basically this. And now in the end, you're going to subtract 45 minus 20. Okay, so 25 more people voted for the vanilla than for the banana. So 45%, it means that finding the 45% of 100, 45% and then 100. So 45% mean 45 times 100 over 100. So this is 45. Okay, and now in the end we are going to subtract that. More than how many more people? That is a 20 more people. Let's do the next question. Let's do the next question. Vindaloo requires all dogs to be registered with the city and keep record to the distribution of the different breeds. Bulldog is 1 by 3. German Shepherd it's 2 by 9, and the Beagles it's 4 by 9. What is the greater? That's the Beagle. Then it's Bulldogs, and then for the German Shepherd. Okay. Which list is arranged from least common breed to the most common breed? Least is German Shepherd, then Bulldog, and then Beagles. Option A. So we go with it. That is the right answer. People walking in the downtown Campbell took a poll about their favorite month. Favorite months are given in the July it's 35%, October 15%, December 20%, and the March 30%. I was just checking my mind. If 80 people were surveyed, how many people voted for October? 80 people were surveyed. So how many people for only, it's obviously 15%, because it's on October it's a 15. So you can say that it's a 15. Okay. How many people voted for October? So 15 people voted for the October. So people walking in the downtown Summerfield were interviewed about their favorite sport. Okay, let's learn this. So when you see, find the fraction of the people who voted for the track. 1 by 3 people voted for the track. So find 1 by 3 of 42. So 42 divided by 1 by 3, then we see the answer. Then 1 by 6 people of 42, this is a 7. So 7 people, and in the end, you're going to subtract 14 out of 7. And in this way, you're going to write the answer. The previous question is same, just like this. Okay. Now let's do one more question for this. Mhm. Circle the graph. Yeah. Yeah, okay, guys. A beauty salon in Oxford has 5 beauticians and keep track of how often the client requests each one specifically. Beautician requests are Lassie, Krista, Daryl, Ed, and Jonah. 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. And mostly these four are same, and one is a greater part, Krista. If the seller 4 requests in all, first of all, finding in all of it, 1 by 6 of 84, 1 by 3 of 84, okay, all of it. Then how many more requests were for Krista than for Jonah? Just in these two, Krista and Jonah. 1 by 3 of Krista, finding it out 1 by 3 of 84, then 1 by 6 of 84. What is the answer of 1 by 3 of 84? It's 28. And what is the answer of 1 by 6 of 84? This 14. Now subtract 28 minus 14. That's it. Okay. If two things are given, then just going to simply multiply and then you can write the answer for that. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So today we covered the grade 9 maths, data and the graphs. Here are the 4 lessons today we covered. The first lesson, which is create the bar graph, line graphs and histogram. Then interpret the bar graph, line graph and histogram. Then interpret the stamp and leaf plots. And now we circle the graph in the end. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and the password that is provided by the administrator. And before starting the next session, you guys practice all these lessons. And if you still need any help in any of the questions, you are using this live chat button, open this. This is available on your A plus website. Select your department that you need help in English or maths or anything, then put in your name and then just send. In this way, this is the way that you contact with the tutors. And so for now, have a great day, you all. Bye.